feel relieved that the truth always prevails. Just happy that it's finally over. I can get my life back. It's been a year of hell. I lost out a lot. Lost a lot of money, lost a lot of time, lost a lot of respect. I was called all sorts of names. But I'm happy that my family, legal team, everybody came through. So I'm happy.
I'm sure it's been a difficult time. It's been a year of hell.
Very much so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me leave it at that. Not delve into anything deep. Pablo, do you have to say something?
Look, nothing much to say except that it's very clear from the beginning these are fabricated charges. We're happy the DPP has seen through our things. We really appreciate that somebody legally reasonable finalizing the sense.
Where to for you? Where to for you?
Well, I just, it's, waiting for me is just me and the journey of God. I just right now, I'm just too overwhelmed. It was my battle alone with my family and stuff, but I've seen now going forward. That's it. I've really been humbled of men stood together, because every man is under attack. I would have been really happy if my fellow colleagues stood with me and did that. But at the end of the day, this was just my battle and God's battle. We have to talk. So where to from here is just forward. That's it.
Thank you.